How to remove background noise in CapCut for iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, launch your App Store. Now search for the app CapCut. After app appears, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you update the app, you can close it. Now launch your CapCut. Now click on the option of New Project. With that, your gallery will open up. Now open the video in which you want to remove the background noise. Once you select the video, at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Click on the option of Edit. Now scroll to the right. You're gonna find different options over here. You'll find the option of Reduce Noise. Click on it. Now toggle on for this option of Reduce Noise. With that, you will be good to go. Now the background noise will be removed. By applying same process, you can remove background noise from any video. So this way you can easily remove background noise in your CapCut for iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.